Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, in whichever time you're watching this. Welcome to SSC Sikkim Static and Current. In this video, we are going to discuss the important MCQs on Reserve Bank of India. We will discuss total of 30 MCQs and we will also do some detailed analysis of few questions. So let us begin with the first question. The first question is, which animal and tree is there in RBI logo? So in the RBI logo, which animal and which tree is shown? The options are, is it A, lion is the animal and it's palm tree? Is it C, cheetah is the animal and it's palm tree? And or is it B, or is it C, tiger is the animal, or is it palm tree? The correct answer to this question is C. Tiger is the animal or palm tree. You can see in the left corner also and even in the middle that in the RBI logo there is one animal, that is tiger, and there is one tree, that is palm. Okay, so with this let's go to next question. The next question is, when was Reserve Bank of India established, or Reserve Bank of India was established under which act? The option is RBI Act 1934, is it Banking Regulation Act 1949, or is it Companies Act 2013? The correct answer to this question is A, RBI Act 1934. That is, Reserve Bank of India was established under RBI Act 1934. Next question, which commission recommended to set up RBI? The options are, is it Osa Thorat Committee, is it Naziket Moore Committee, or is it Hilton Young Committee? The correct answer to this question is Hilton Young Committee. There's a small error here. It's not committee, but it's commission. Okay, so it's Hilton Young Commission was the commission which was who recommended to set up Reserve Bank of India. So Hilton Young Committee is the correct answer, or Hilton Young Commission. Next question, when was RBI nationalized? So a pretty straightforward question. The options are, is it 1st January 1949, or is it 1st September 1949, or is it 1st August 1949? The correct answer to this question is 1st January 1949. So RBI before 1st January 1949 was a private bank, and then it was nationalized, means it was brought under government from 1st January 1949. Next question, how many local boards do Reserve Bank of India have? So the options are, is it 5 local boards, is it 4 local boards, or is it 7 local boards? The correct answer to this question is 4 local boards. That is Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai. These are the 4 local boards of Reserve Bank of India. You can download the PDF of this session by clicking the PDF by link given in the description box, which will cost you just 30 rupees. Proceeding towards next question, how many regional offices do RBI have? Options are, is it 28, is it 26, or is it 27? The correct answer to this question is C, 27, means RBI has 27 regional offices. The next question is, how many members are there in the Central Board Directors of RBI? Is it 21 members, is it 22 members, or is it 24 members? The correct answer to this question is C, not C, sorry, A, that is 21 members. Okay, so RBI has 21 members in the Central Board of Directors. So here you can see out of these 21 members, first is the governor. Okay, the first member is the governor of RBI. Second, or the four members other than governor are 4 deputy governors, and there are 2 representatives from the finance ministry representatives, and then there are 10 government nominated directors, and there are 4 directors who represents the local board. So if we add this total, the total comes out to be 21. So there are 21 members in the Central Board of RBI, for 1 governor, 4 deputy governor, 2 representatives from finance ministry, 10 government nominated directors, and 4 directors who represent the local boards. Okay, next question, who is the 25th governor of RBI? So the correct answer to this question is B, that is the 25th, and the current governor of RBI is Mr. Shaktikanta Das. 23rd governor was Raghuram Rajan, 24th was Urjit Patel, and 25th was Shaktikanta Das. Next question, who is the first governor of RBI? The correct answer to this question is C. The correct answer is A. Here is some mistype here. The correct answer is A. Sir Osborne Smith. Okay, Sir Osborne Smith is the first governor of RBI. So Sir Osborne Smith is the first governor of RBI. Second is Sir James Taylor Breed, and third governor of RBI is C.D. Deshmukh, sir. Okay, and please remember, Sir C.D. Deshmukh is also the first Indian governor of RBI. So that's it. Let's go to next question. Who are Mahesh Kumar Jain, M. Rajeshwar Rao, Michael D. Patra, and T. Ravi Shankar? The options are they RBI governors, or are they RBI's deputy governors, or option number C, are they RBI's regional head? The correct answer is B, that is RBI deputy governors. We all know that RBI has one governor and four deputy governors. The current governor of RBI is Mr. Shaktikanta Das, and the four deputy governors of RBI are Mahesh Kumar Jain, M. Rajeshwar Rao, Michael D. Patra, and T. Ravi Shankar. Okay, so I request everyone to please subscribe SSC Sikkim, because less than 50% of viewers only have subscribed to our channel, means more than 50% are left, those who have not subscribed. So I request you to please subscribe SSC Sikkim to get the future updates of this kind of videos. So next question, how many printing presses are there for printing currency notes in India? So how many printing press? We all know that we all carry notes, right? Currency notes, rupees. And how many are those? How many printing presses are there to print the currency notes? The options are 24 printing press, 4 printing presses, or 14 printing presses. The correct answer is B, 4 printing presses. Let's go to next question. Where are the 4 printing presses for printing currency notes in India? We just saw that there are 4 printing presses for printing currency notes. The next question is, where are there 4 printing presses? Okay, where are these 4 printing presses? The options are Mysore, Saiboni, Dewas, Nasik. Option B, Silguri, Kolkata, Malda, Darjeeling, or option C, Mumbai, Howrah, Guwahati, or Ahmedabad. The correct answer to this question is A, that is Mysore, Saiboni, Dewas, and Nasik. So there are 4 printing presses for printing currency notes in India, and out of these 4, 2 printing presses are owned by Government of India, and 2 printing presses are owned by Reserve Bank of India. So the first 2 printing presses in option number A, that is Mysore printing press and Saiboni printing press, they are owned by Reserve Bank of India, and the next 2 printing presses, that is Dewas and Nasik, are owned by Government of India. Okay, so that's it. Let's go to next question. What is the full form of SPMCIL? The correct answer to this question is B, that is Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. We just saw that Government of India owns 2 printing presses, right? Which are those printing presses? That is Dewas and Nasik. So Government of India owns these printing presses under which a department or which subsidiary? The Government of India subsidiary is SPMCIL. Okay, it belongs to Government of India. Let's go to next question. How many subsidiaries do RBI have? The pretty straightforward answer, there are 4 subsidiaries of RBI. Which are those 4 subsidiaries? The first subsidiary is DICGC, that is Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, DICGC. First subsidiary. The second subsidiary is Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, BRBNMPL. Okay, this is the second subsidiary of RBI, and the third subsidiary of RBI is Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, that is REBIT. Okay, and the fourth and the last subsidiary of RBI is Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, that is IFTAS. The next question, who issues coins and rupees 1 notes? The options are Government of India, is it Reserve Bank of India, or is it State Bank of India? So coins and 1 rupee notes are issued by Government of India and not Reserve Bank of India. So Government of India issues all coins and rupees 1 notes. So the next question is, whose signature is there on rupees 1 note? The options are, is it Finance Secretary's, is it Finance Minister's signature, or is it RBI Governor's signature? The correct answer to this question is A, that is Finance Secretary's. So on rupees 1 notes, the signature there present is of Finance Secretaries and not of RBI Governors. In all other notes except 1 rupees note, RBI Governor signs, but in 1 rupees notes, Finance Secretary sign, and the current Finance Secretary is TV Somanathan. Okay, next question. As per RBI Act 1934, what is the maximum denomination in which RBI can issue currency notes? The correct answer to this question is 10,000. So RBI can issue at most 10,000 rupee note and not more than that. The current maximum denomination is of 2000 rupees note. We all know that, but if allowed, RBI can issue up to 10,000 rupees one note. Okay, so that is the maximum allowance given by RBI by RBI Act 1934. Okay, next question. Where are the four coin mints in India owned by Government of India under SPMCIL? We all know that coins are produced by Government of India and not by Reserve Bank of India. And where are these coins minted? The options to these questions are Mysore, Saiboni, Divas, Nasik, Siliguri, Kolkata, Malda, Darjeeling, and Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Noida. The first option is ruled out because Mysore, Saiboni, Devas and Nasik are the four printing presses for printing notes, right? The correct answer to this question is C, that is Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Noida. Okay, that's it. Let's go to next question. Where are the four printing presses for printing currency notes in India? So I think we have already done this question. The correct answer to this question is A, Mysore, Saiboni, Devas and Nasik. So next question, as per Indian Coinage Act 2011, what is the maximum denomination in which SPMCIL can issue coins? So we all just read that coins are issued by Government of India under SPMCIL. Okay, and as per Indian Coinage Act 2011, what is the maximum denomination? We just saw that the maximum denomination for notes is 10,000, but the maximum denomination of coins is 1,000. So at most 1,000 rupees coin can be issued by Government of India and not more than that. Okay, so that's it. Now the next question is, what is the color of 2,000 rupees note? Very famous question, a very common question, but a very ignored question, we can say, right? We just say pink, but it's not pink. The correct answer is magenta. 2,000 rupees note is of the color magenta. Okay, so the color is magenta, and the motif that is in the back of this note, the picture we see is the motif on the note, and the motif in 2,000 rupees note is Mangalayan. Okay, size you can see here. Another, what is the color of 500 note? The color of 500 rupees note is stone gray. Okay, not only gray but stone gray, and the motif there present is red fort, and here is the size given. And next question is, what is the color of 200 rupees note? The color of 200 rupees note is bright yellow, and the motif there present, that is in the back of the note, is of the picture of Sanchi Stupa. Okay, size is given. Next question, what is the motif on new rupees 50 note? The motif on new rupees 50 note is Humpy with chariot. Okay, Humpy with chariot is the motif on new rupees 50 note. The color of the new rupees 50 note is fluorescent blue, and the motif is Humpy with chariot. Size is given. And the next question, what is the motif on new 20 rupees note? The motif on new 20 rupees note is of Ellora caves. Okay, you all can see in the back of the note that the picture there given is of the Ellora cave in 20 rupee note. The color of 20 rupee note is greenish yellow. Next question, what is the motif on new 10 rupees note? The motif on new 10 rupees note is of Sun Temple, which is at Konark. Okay, the color of rupees 10 note is chocolate brown, not only brown but chocolate brown. Size is given. So this is the summary of all the color, motif and size of the different currency notes we have in India. Okay, so you all can see it from the PDF. Let's go to next question. How many languages are there in the panel of Indian currency notes excluding Hindi and English? The correct answer to this question is B, that is 15. So you all can see here in the round part, you can see that the total languages are 15, and if we include English and Hindi, it gets it to 17. Okay, but excluding English and Hindi, the number of languages are 15. So that's it. Next question, and the second last question, when did RBI adopt minimum reserve system? The correct answer to this question is C. So the minimum reserve system was adopted by RBI in 1956. You all can see what minimum reserve system is. You will get this in the PDF. Okay, the next question is, in how many languages do RBI Kehta Hai or campaign by RBI is available? So RBI has run a campaign called RBI Kehta Hai, and the question here being asked is, in how many languages do this campaign is run? That is RBI Kehta Hai. Okay, the correct answer to this question is 14 languages. Option number C. Okay, RBI कहता है 14 languages. With this, we complete this session. You can download the PDF of this session by clicking the PDF by link given in the description. It will cost you 30 rupees. We'll meet in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe SSC Sikkim. Thank you so much.